You may have heard about OpenAI. They are a platform that makes a lot of cool AI tools, and they've built a new model that is designed for text completion. It can do a lot of great things, so let's check it out. You'll get all the information you need from the quick start manual, but you can just follow me along, or you can just go to the examples directly. That's what I did. They are pretty easy to understand. So it has a Q&A function built in, meaning that you can ask it some general knowledge question and it can answer that. So let's try it. Who was Julius Caesar? I think I spelled Caesar wrong, but it still gave an answer. And it can follow context as well. As you can see, it still knows that I'm talking about Caesar. So in a very real way, you can ask a bunch of questions, get the answers, and prepare some sort of a quiz or a question paper. Imagine that, AI making a question paper. Although this AI claims that it's some sort of a human, like it says it's a student called Caitlin. I'm not sure what exactly that's about. I mean, it can't handle philosophical questions as well as the OpenAI GPT-3. That thing is amazing. This thing is not as advanced, but still not bad for a free tool, right? It can even write some code. So if I want to generate a program out of a sentence that I gave, it can do that. So I can say write a JavaScript function to print something on the screen and it can do it. Honestly, it's so much easier than Googling stuff. Like if you forgot the basic syntax or something, you can just use this. And you can see there are a whole bunch of different things you can do with this text playground. It's still in beta, but it works amazingly well. You can even write recipes. That should be interesting. So I can tell it to write a recipe for fried noodles or something. And it lists out everything, the ingredients and the directions too. Let's see here. Okay, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Cook the noodles for about 5 minutes. Honestly, that sounds pretty normal, I think it's a fairly simple recipe, so it does that pretty well. You can even write mystery novels and ask it to complete stories. You can complete your entire book with the help of this bot. It can even write product descriptions, like maybe an earphone. You can ask it to describe the earphone with a certain number of text, and it can do that. And you can then change that paragraph later on, so it really helps you with content writing too. There are a lot of things that this bot can do for free that will help you earn real money. There are also some fun aspects like this Marv the sarcastic chatbot. Alright, let's talk to Marv. I'll say, "Hi Marv, you good?" It says, "Yes, I'm good. How are you?" Okay, pretty basic so far. Apparently he can sing. Alright, sing for me. Whoa, what is this? Is this based on a Rickroll? I was Rickrolled by an AI bot. Okay, I think we should stop there. I mean, you get the idea. It has a bunch of different things you can try out for free. There is a limit of certain number of commands, I think you have a limit of 20 commands per minute. I think that's plenty for a free user. So yeah, link in the description to beta.openai.com. Go check it out.